Today, another secret pass to the train station. Make a complete U-turn once you come off the Broadway Bridge, and then come back here on this little sidewalk. If I recall correctly though, there's not a ramp off of the sidewalk immediately, so you have to go around the corner for a bit before you get to a ramp. Oh, I take that back. There's a ramp right here. I had forgotten. Is that our... Oh, that's the Empire Builder, 311. So, not my train. Today I'm going to go in the right way. Instead of cutting in against traffic, I'm going to ride the loop just to show it. Some people driving in here. You can see the bummy bus station over there. Still ain't fixed it up. And this is where the taxis wait and such. You can see the through lanes. And maybe coming in here. There we go. Hello. Up to Seattle. What I got? Oh. Oh, it's got a little dirt on it. I said it's got a little dirt on it. Ta-da! That's a good point.
Don't forget your 2 tags.
Oh yeah.
And you're good to go.
Cool.
You know to go to the lounge, right?
Yeah.
All right, you have a good one.
Yeah, thanks man. Have a good one yourself. Howdy. Oh. Yeah, it's just the dyno. Cool, thank you.
Find her mouth, so it's crumbs on the floor.
That's all right. That's all right. If I got a seat, that's all I need. So, thank you.
You're welcome. Are you familiar with which way you're going?
Yeah, I am. Thank you. All right, so now I've put my stuff down. Now I'm going to pick it up. So there's a little latch way over here. I don't know if you can see it. It's this thing. You gotta put it down and then do the handle, and it just kind of lifts up because it's there we go. the curtain was stuck in here. So as you can see, it catches here and catches here to hold, and that's where it was caught. This is the lever that keeps it down from bouncing, because you might bounce at night and you don't want to do that. All right, so again, that is this side of the cabin. You flip around here and you have a sink, which you can see. Punch the buttons, hot water, cold water, soap on a thing. And then as you can see, me. So you have a little mirror, etc. And then you come out here, there is some trash. It's usually some extra containers. Oh, and here's the closet. So the thing with the closet, so there we go, is that I don't like to put stuff in there unless I'm there for multiple days, because I've left things that I value on the train before and they've gotten lost. As you can see, this is a large mirror, and this is actually a door. Here's the door handle that slides open, and you can get 2 rooms, 1 and 2, connected. That's for larger families and larger groups. And let's take a look at the restroom. So, not always a good idea to use the restroom in your cabin. There are ones outside of the room, but if you want to take a shower, this is great. I love this. So there's usually a towel there, shower. You turn this and then push this, the water runs for like 4 or 5 minutes, and then you push it again. These days though, I think you just turn it on and it just stays on. I forget exactly how they have it configured. That's the flush button, and that's the toilet. Yes, you have a toilet and your shower. Of course, if you're taking a shower, don't worry about it. You just leave the seat down and everything's fine, and it drains into the drain there. And this goes down like this. Cover up your toilet paper. Don't get your toilet paper wet, because obviously. All right, so that is the bedroom on a train. I don't think I've ever reviewed one of these on the channel, so I figured I would show you this since I'm taking it from Portland to Seattle today. Yes, I'm one of those weirdos that takes bedrooms and roomettes very short distances because they're nice, and I have the privilege of doing so. With that, we are preparing to depart, and I'm going to get comfortable. So the announcements are kicking, as always. Leaving Portland, most of the major stations, they give you announcements, introduce you to the train, tell you what's up, etc. And I'm digging into my snacks already. So here we go, zipping along. Freight train right there. Oh, there went the head-end power. So on the way to Seattle from Portland, be there in a couple hours. In the meantime, I'm gonna sit back, enjoy my snacks, and just chill. Maybe do a little computering or something. Who knows? But anyway, this is that. This is a train life, train bikey life. Relaxed, laid back, chilled, not at the whim of scheduling and nonsense. So, highly recommended, as I do sometimes. So in the meantime, cheers.